If you're watching this video, I assume you are looking for a side hustle. You were running a search, you saw the title, and here you are. So first off, fantastic. As a fellow believer in multiple streams of income, which is why I'm assuming you're looking to pick up some sort of side hustle, iron sharpens iron. It's great to have you here. Now, let me be very clear up front. What I will be talking about is online day trading. But second, it is very difficult. It is very hard. What you're about to see here is very real. It does not require a bunch of time. As you saw, the results only took less than 10 minutes, but it doesn't happen overnight. It's not a magic pill. You better be ready to suffer. You better hear the words blood, sweat, and tears and be like, oh, yes, I love a good challenge. If you hear blood, sweat, and tears and you want to go running away, I understand. I mean, maybe you already have enough challenges you're trying to take on already. I completely understand. But just let me be very, very upfront. It's not easy. Once you get through the very difficult parts, once you overcome the upfront time investment needed, then yes, you're not going to need a bunch of time as you're about to see. But that's the point here, is that yes, this is a side hustle that's great because it doesn't require a lot of time and you can make some very worthwhile money with it. But with that being said, getting to that point doesn't happen overnight. You better enjoy blood, sweat, and tears. So like I said, what is this 10-minute side hustle? Well, it is, like I said earlier, online day trading. And in this situation, you're going to see some stock trading. Now, you can trade all sorts of stuff online, stocks, options, cryptocurrency. There are a variety of objects that you can trade, but here you're going to see some online stock day trading. You're going to see two separate what is known as trades, meaning that I am entering into a stock and then exiting, and then I go and enter into another stock and then exit once again. And then here's the cool part, which is kind of mind-blowing, especially as a beginner when you're just getting started, is that I'll be making money by prices going down. You would think, wait, if prices are going down, if values are going down, wouldn't you be losing money? Yeah, in like 95% of most cases, you would be losing money. But this is I don't want to overwhelm you with lingo, but what you're about to see here is going short or shorting a stock, meaning I want to see prices go down. And if they go down, I will make money. So let me show you how this all works, and let's go to this first trade. And I want to show you these so that way you know that I'm not just randomly making stuff up. I'm not just, kind of playing some sort of theoretical, hypothetical game. I want to show you two of my personal trades that I did, and they're on the same day. And you'll see that, yeah, both of these occurred in less than 10 minutes. So let's get to the first trade. I have an order at 147 to try to get filled here on the short side. So I need this thing to bounce up a bit. Going short, meaning I would want to see prices then go down. That's how I would make money. So yes, for a beginner, believe it or not, you can make money when prices go down. That is known as going short. But I don't know if it's going to bounce back up. Oh, this thing just keeps on heading down. And I'm interested at 147. I will go ahead and pause for now. And if it looks like I'm going to get close to, okay, maybe here. Okay, getting closer. In, nice, 147 in. See it come down a bit more. Took off 300 just because this point seems like it could go either direction. So still have 50 shares left. Just in case it does come down, I'll still be able to participate in the fun. Let's see if this thing can get the break down below 145. And watching for a break of 145. There is the break. A lackluster break though. Took off 25 there. I'm going to call it good for $298 on that trade. Fantastic. So right there you can see up a nice amount. Did not take very long. That was one of two trades. Let's go on to the second trade. Okay, now watching. All right, good. In at 235. Let's see if we can get some follow through here on this one. Took off another 50 there. This thing goes up to 232. Excuse me, 233. I'll stop out of the rest. All right. How did I not? Wow, what a fast one that is. All right, there we go. So nice $296 trade there. Up $595, and it is $939. So there you have it. Well over $500 in less than 10 minutes, all from the comfort of my own home and just requiring some software and an internet connection. And the software, I mean, I don't want to go too far down rabbit holes, but this is not expensive software. In fact, some of the software is free. But what I also want to reiterate is, again, blood, sweat, and tears and practice. You've got to practice all this stuff. What sort of tools should I use to practice? What sort of platform, software should I use to practice? I'll put a link down below to another video that I did that talks about a recommended practice platform, and that will, guide you in that regard. So definitely check on that link, because again, you gotta practice first. You don't want to show up and then just throw yourself into things. That's a recipe for disaster. But if anything, hopefully I got your wheels turning. Hopefully I got you at least considering potentially getting into day trading, learning more about day trading as a side hustle, because it's a great thing. It's difficult, it's challenging, it'll push you to the limits. But if you enjoy a good challenge, then I would definitely say consider it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.